Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kshama Singh and you're watching my channel that is Artism by Kshama. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your name snowflake. Isn't it exciting? So for this you will need A4 size paper. I have taken here a printing paper, normal printing paper. Then this is a cutting tool. It is optional, and also something to write your name on the paper. So I have taken here this mechanical pencil which is camlin mechanical pencil. It is hardly of 10 to 15 rupees, and a pair of scissors. That's all guys. Okay guys, this video will going to be the 11th video of our Christmas series. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start the video. So guys, take your A4 size printing paper or whichever paper you have taken and fold it to the perfect square like I am doing here. With the help of your scissors, cut down the excessive part. Now we have to fold this bigger triangle into half and make it a smaller triangle. Guys, third part of our folding is little bit tricky, so watch carefully. What we have to do that we have to fold the two flaps of the triangle in the opposite direction like this. It look like a zigzag manner, and here I am sharpening the edges with the help of the scissors. Now cut from here. This is the extra part we doesn't require. And guys, from here our fun part begins. Now grab your pen or pencil and draw your name, or simply I say write down your name in a manner that your first word overlap the second word and your second word overlap the third word, and so on. In similar manner guys, I have made few more of the names like Christmas, one more Kshama, and here is love, and time for molding our snowflake. If any kid watching my video there, remember to take help of your parents to avoid injuries and for safe crafting. Guys, it's time to unfold our paper cutting. So are you excited? Yeah, look how beautiful it turned out with my name Kshama. Guys, same thing I will do with the love word, and you will definitely going to love its result too. And this one is my favorite one. Grab your pen and papers. Start making for your parents and loved ones on this Christmas party with your handmade Christmas gift. Surprise them! Lastly guys, feel free to comment your queries and share your views in the comment section below. Do suggest me your ideas if you have any, or whichever things you wanted me to draw or create for you. And guys, hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys enjoyed, then don't forget to like, subscribe, share to my YouTube channel that is Artism by Kshama. Thanks for watching. Bye.